Ellie Gote manages the beverage service here at Busboys and Poets, a Washington restaurant and bookstore. Last month, she got the flu.
And I was out for like several days because my doctor was like, you're going to get everybody sick if you go back to work.
That's what officials say about coronavirus, too.
If you feel unwell, stay at home.
Stay home when you're sick.
It's a good idea to stay home when you're sick.
Okay.
But in a lifetime of restaurant work, Gote says Busboys and Poets is the first job where she could stay home and not lose her wages.
When the option is putting food on the table or staying home sick, a lot of people, they're going to always opt to put food on the table.
Who knows? Somebody's relative may be visiting.
Andy Shalal owns Busboys and Poets.
I worked as a waiter. I worked as a cook. I've done all these things. For me, it was a no-brainer.
But the United States is one of the only countries in the world without a national law requiring sick leave for at least part of the workforce. Shalal pushed for Washington, D.C. to pass one of the nation's first paid sick leave measures.
I want to go out to eat and not have somebody sneeze on my food.
Studies have found that paid sick leave policies can lower the spread of diseases, up to 40% in one study during a flu outbreak. Most employers offer paid sick leave, and 12 states plus the District of Columbia now require them. But nationwide, about a quarter of U.S. workers are not covered. Most are low-wage employees, many in restaurants and other jobs interacting with the public. With the COVID-19 outbreak, the issue is getting attention from Congress and President Trump.
We're also going to be talking about hourly wage earners getting help so that they can be in a position where they're not going to ever miss a paycheck.
Democrats have pushed for a national paid sick leave law for years. Business groups and Republicans have opposed them as too costly and restrictive. But opposition is softening as the coronavirus outbreak spreads. Shalal says that's a good outcome from a bad situation.
Sometimes it takes a coronavirus type of thing for us to start thinking in terms of, maybe the way we've been doing things isn't necessarily making America great.
The proposed sick leave law may only apply during a public health emergency. It remains to be seen whether paid time off for the common flu, a stomach bug, or anything else contagious is still on the menu after the COVID-19 outbreak ends. Steve Baragona, VOA News, Washington.